A memory slot. A memory slot is a slot on the motherboard for installing RAM modules. Random access memory, RAM. Random access memory, RAM, is the main memory used for storing active data and instructions. Primary memory. Primary memory is another term for RAM, essential for computer operation. A dual inline memory module, DIMM. A dual inline memory module is a type of RAM module with multiple conductors. A small outline DIMM, SODIMM. A small outline DIMM is a smaller version of DIMM used in laptops.